Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub with Q Cards 2022. Alright guys, some of my students appeared in IELTS exam and they got these new cue cards. So I've invited Mustain Asad to demonstrate some speaking on these cue cards. So Mustain, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, the first cue card is describe a famous person whom you want to take a selfie. Now, basically, it's something new. So, this famous person can be your favorite singer, your favorite musician, your favorite artist, or anyone like that. Okay. So, you got to speak on this cue card for 1 minute, right? Describe a famous person whom you want to take a selfie with. So, Mustain, over to you, please.
Okay, so my favorite person with whom I want to take a selfie is Shah Rukh Khan. Actually, I have been watching his movies since I was a child, and I really like his movies as they had as they have a good story as well as they are really interesting. And I have been watching them since a child, so I've got great childhood memories with. Although it seems near to impossible to meet him and something, but still it's like a dream. So if I would ever get a chance to take a selfie with it, would be Shah Rukh Khan. And there is another star as well that I want to take a selfie with, and he's Salman Khan. I've been watching his movies as well. So both of them have been my favorite movie stars, and it is more of a dream to take a photo with them. Now I don't know if it would ever get completed or no.
Okay, carry on. Speak a little more.
And I guess if I would ever get to go to any program of them, there I would manage a chance to take any selfie with them. But still, let's see if what happens.
Okay, all right. Now, Mustain, whenever we speak on cue card, usually we talk about one thing, one person. So, as you talked about Shah Rukh Khan, you could say when, where, how, why, right? And you could speak on Shah Rukh Khan only for 1 minute or Salman Khan. But, anyways, now we go on. There is another cue card for 2022. Describe a journey by plane which you expect to make in the future. Now, for example, if you're planning to go to Canada or Dubai, so you will talk about that journey by plane. And what you're going to do, you're going to give some detail about it. Where will you go? Why will you go there? What will you do during your journey? Okay, like air hostess and all that stuff. Okay, so you can talk about things like that and try to speak for 1 minute a journey by plane which you expect to take in the future.
So a journey by plane that I'm expecting to take in the future is I guess in 2022 I'll travel to Dubai, inshallah. And it is a journey with my family. I'll visit Dubai as a for my summer holidays. I'd go with my parents, and as it would be my first experience sitting in an aeroplane, so I'm quite nervous about the experience, that how would it be and what difficulties or what new things I'll have to face. Like, I guess there would be a boarding pass and other things like this. And as it would be my first journey, so I'd take many pictures in the aeroplane and I would just look around. Like, I've never been that high in the sky, so it kind of feels scary that what would happen. And like, there have been different kind of incidents about aeroplanes as well, so it is kind of shattering as well. Like, so I don't know what will happen, but I'm really excited about that as well. So I guess that it would be a great trip, and let's hope for the best. And I guess that I would make this journey as soon as possible.
Okay, all right, that's fantastic. You spoke on this topic for 1 minute and you spoke well. Now, let's go on. So, Muslim, just try to have some conversational style and try to speak with some more energy.
Okay.
This time, another cue card for 2022 is describe a university you would like to study in. Now, it's going to be related to future. So, a university you would like to study in. So, you can talk about any university, and most of your conversation is going to be in future. Why would you like to study there? What will you do there? What will you study there? How will you spend your time there? And all that. So, let's take a start.
So the university that I plan to go to is University of Toronto, as it has been a dream of mine since being a child that I want to go to foreign country, and the first country that pops up in my mind is Canada. So I guess I would get there, and the first thing that I would do is to look around that what does the university look like. I would have a thorough look over of the university, and I would choose computer sciences after I complete my intermediate, because I'm really interested in computer sciences. I want to choose the field of information technology known as IT as well. I want to go for that, and the first thing that I would do, I've told that, and I will study there with my whole heart and great efforts as well. So merely that would be a great experience, and but we can't predict that what would happen in the future. So I'm really not sure about that, but it is my dream, and I guess I would make it true as well, inshallah, for sure.
Okay, that's fantastic. Almost 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, now let's move on. We've got another latest cue card, that is describe your favorite mobile handset. Like if it is Android, you can talk about Samsung. If it is Apple, you can talk about iOS, or I mean specifically, you will talk about any handset. Okay, so you got to speak on it now. What handset is it? How you got it? Why you use it? What do you like about it? So you can cover all these things in 1 minute, right? So the topic or the cue card is describe your favorite mobile handset.
So my favorite mobile set is iPhone 12 Pro Max. I recently bought it. It is from the company Apple, and it is one of the best phones I've ever seen in my entire life. It has got various features, and getting that phone was more of a dream. And now I've completed that. I can't even believe it. But it is one of the best mobile phones. It has got various features, such as it has got a very good processor, and its new update, software update iOS 15, has got really good features. It is very strong, and it keeps good privacy of you as well. Moreover, the mobile phone itself is really graceful, its camera, everything. And the best part of the mobile is its battery. I keep on using it for the whole day, and still it never just turns out. I bought this phone with a lot of expectations, and to be honest, this mobile never let me down. I've done many things. I recorded videos on it, I took many pictures, and all of them are as good as a camera. And the things that I don't like in this mobile is that it is a bit heavy.
Okay, you've spoken for 1 minute on this topic as
Okay.
well. All right, now we got one last topic. This is new topic, but it's been discussed in speaking part one as well. Describe your favorite fast food. Now you will talk about one item, whether it is pizza, burger, or anything else, and then you say how often you eat it, where do you have to go to eat it, why do you like it, do you want to eat it alone or with your friends or family. So you are going to cover all these things in 1 to 2 minute talk. So please, you can speak on it for 1 minute.
My favorite fast food is pizza, and the flavor that I take in it is cheese. As cheese is very good for the health, whenever I have a cheesy pizza, I feel energetic after that. And the best thing about it is that it is not really costly, and it is easily available everywhere. I go for that every weekends, or I at times have it twice a weekend as well. I go with my family and with my friends as well. I never prefer to go alone because it never feels good. So the best thing about pizza is that it entices the taste buds, and moreover, the pizza itself is something really delicious. You never get bored of eating it. You can eat it as much as you want, and the chicken toppings on it and the cheese really makes it good. Whenever I had pizza, I feel really good, and the best thing in it is this, that it comes with various sauces, and whenever I have it, I feel really good. And and I'm
Okay,
got a
all
bit
right. It was
confused.
less than a minute, but still, it's all right. So, Mustain, thank you very much. You demonstrated a good speaking specimen on these five new cue cards, which are important for 2022. Thanks a lot for that. Well, guys, let me tell you, whenever you go to take your IELTS speaking test, you must share your cue card with me. My WhatsApp number is given. Just type the main cue card. For example, describe your favorite mobile handset, or describe a handset, mobile handset that you would like to purchase. Just one line, speaking part 2. I'm mainly interested in speaking part 2. Part 1 is okay, and part 3 depends on part 2. So you should send me the topic, and I'm going to make a collection of those new cue cards, and they will help other students as well. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub and Mustain
Mustain
Asad,
Asad.
we really wish you best of luck. Take care. Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.